Okay, so it seems I'm live. So some people are already watching this. That's great. So it's been an awesome weekend, awesome week from Hyderabad to Mumbai. Great. So some people are watching this. So let's wait for some time so that everyone will join. I'm not sure how the audio is. You can just use your comment section or chat window to tell me that. How is the audio? Okay, so basically we are going for some announcement. So we'll be talking about something, some topic, and then we'll move towards Q and A. Of course, right? This is a Saturday Q and people are saying, "Good, that's great." So again, I will pick up your questions after some time. Before that, I want to do some announcement. As you know, last week we did a Hyderabad meetup, which went very well. We got around 70 participants or 70 subscribers who came to meet me. So that's great. It was an awesome, what do you say, meetup, and then we talked about different stuff. I tried to go live. I went live on the other channel, which is Navin Reddy. Again, if you have not subscribed to that channel, do it as soon as possible. So go to my Navin Reddy channel, search for Navin Reddy. I know there are multiple channels of Navin Reddy. Just so Joe, okay. So there's one which is Java by Navin Reddy, and second one is Navin Reddy. Go with Navin Reddy. That's a new channel where you will see some personal stuff. Nothing to, may not be about learning, but something else. My viewpoint on something. Okay, so make sure that you subscribe that channel as well. So I went live on that channel, but unfortunately, the internet was not good. So there was a lot of frictions, a lot of buffering was happening. The next meetup is in Bangalore, uh, and I hope the internet will be good so that I will go live. Otherwise, I will record this session because this time I went live. I have not recorded the session, so that's one mistake I made. But next time I will make sure that I will record the video and I will post it on YouTube. Maybe I will go live on Facebook because that makes more sense. Going live on Facebook and then uploading a video on YouTube. So that is something I will do. Now, yeah, I know some people will say we don't have Facebook account, but come on, guys, you are living in 2018 where social network has become our life, right? So you need to have your account on every platform. It doesn't matter for what purpose we use. Example, you can use Facebook for different purpose. Some people use it for making friends, some people use it for learning stuff as well. There are so many pages on Facebook through which you can learn. So we can get distracted as well, but you cannot run away from social media, right? So if you don't have an account on Facebook, I would suggest you to create an account. Maybe you don't want to add people, that's fine. You don't want to like certain pages, that's fine. You can use Facebook for learning purpose as well. So I will try to go live on Facebook. In fact, the announcement about Bangalore, so the venue is confirmed finally. Yay, the venue is confirmed. So I was, from last few days we were trying to arrange a venue. So initially it was we were thinking about Maratali, but then due to some constraint, time constraint, and due to the location constraint, we went for JP Nagar. So the meetup, the Bangalore meetup, which is happening on 2nd September. Uh, it's happening in JP Nagar. You can see the description area for the address. So it is so there's a company and it is in JP Nagar. So this is where we are taking a meetup. The timing is 2 to 5. Okay, that is something we are decided now, but maybe it will go for 3 to 5 or 2 to 5. We are not sure, but we are trying to go for 2 to 5. At least we'll get 3 hours to talk about your different topics. Uh, Okay, so that's about the Bangalore meetup. Again, I'll be announcing more about Bangalore meetup on Facebook. So make sure that you like my Facebook page, which is the Telusko Learning page, and the Navin Reddy page. So basically, we have two pages: the Telusko Learning page and Navin Reddy page. I would also recommend you to follow me on Instagram because I'm there on Instagram as well. The unofficial things about Telusko, what happens when I make a video, what happens when I go on true. So I try to upload most of my video photos on Instagram. Okay, that's about this stuff. And today I uploaded a video about Google, right? So I don't know if you have seen that. Google, Apple, and IBM, they don't need a college degree. And then there's some modification. There's something which I missed in the video. Now some people might be thinking, after uploading the video, I realized some people are taking it in a different way. They are thinking that they don't need a college degree to get a job. That's not the case, okay? It's just that if you have some experience, if you're a college dropout in US, okay, that makes sense. Especially in India, we don't have that system as of now. You need a degree to get a job in any company. Yes, there are some startups which are going for, if you don't have certificate, if you don't have degree, they will hire you. But that's not the case with all companies. So at least at this point, try to complete your graduation, but don't just depend upon your college degree. That's important to me. Okay, so also do some extra courses, do certification, make projects, do internship. That is what will give you a job in future. Okay, so that's about the stuff. So let's start with QA. Anything else I want to talk about? Nothing. Let's start with QA. In fact, while I was talking, I saw a question about Facebook. Facebook steal your personal data. That's right. All the companies, maybe it is Google, Facebook, WhatsApp. Yes, they steal your data. But don't you think you should not be putting everything on Facebook, right? So whatever data you are comfortable with, only share those content. Example, your name is public, right? No one cares about your name. But yes, your phone number, your email ID, your date of birth. There's so many things you can actually hide from Facebook, and then you can simply off your GPS location. Facebook does offer you all those features, just that we don't know it, or maybe we don't want to even explore it. So yes, all different sites, maybe WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, Google, they all want your data, but it's depend upon you how much you want to share. Okay, how about voice questions? Okay, okay. So I suggested that I should be using a phone to see the questions, right? But that's good. I can see the questions there. That's better. Okay, next question. So let me pick up a question here. Tell me about digital marketing. Oh, that's great. This is an awesome field. Earlier days there was a traditional marketing. So if you want to market a product, you need to use traditional way. Right now we have the digital marketing campaign. We can use Facebook marketing. We can use Google marketing. Maybe we can target certain websites or certain YouTube content creator for the marketing. So yes, scope is very good because everything is going online now. So yes, marketing will be also online because we don't see much people. In fact, online marketing is much more effective than traditional marketing. So the future is very good. If you are building your career, also learn how to sell stuff, also learn how to negotiate. Those things will be important when you go for digital marketing. But do a course. Don't just randomly play it. Do a course, maybe free or paid, doesn't matter. Okay, yeah. So David, question from David Das, any registration is required? Yes, for Bangalore Meetup, the same way we did for Hyderabad, we will be doing registration. Okay, so people who have registered only they will get the entry. The process is not yet defined, so you will get all the updates on YouTube community and Facebook page. So make sure that you like my Facebook page because it will be again first come first serve. The moment we publish the post, it will have a Google Drive link. So whoever submit the register first, they will get the first preference. So just by registering there will not be making sure that you will be registered. So you will receive a mail from Telusko Training if your registration is confirmed. Because we will ask. The problem is some people they simply register but they don't show up. They're not even interested. So what we do is we go in two-way process. The first way is you have to register by yourself. Then we will send you a mail for the confirmation, and then you have to reply to that confirmation mail. If you are replying to the mail, then you are confirmed. So you will receive a last mail from us by saying you are confirmed. Then only you are confirmed. Okay. So make sure that you get that. So do the registration. So make sure that you like my Facebook page. Make sure that you click on the bell icon on this channel because this is where you will get uh, the notification about the registration. Okay, next question. Let me pick up a question here. Will you make a Python video in Hindi? Yes. In fact, on the other channel, so we already have a channel called Telusko Hindi where I've uploaded around 2 to 3 videos. More videos are on the way. The only thing, last week I went to Hyderabad and then it disturbed the entire schedule of mine. So first of all, I'm trying to complete the English series and then parallelly I will try to make Hindi videos as well. So yes, it will be coming. Okay, so Ajit says come to Yelanka North Bangalore. Okay, I would love to. So once we have done with the official meetup, maybe we'll go for the open meetup and I will see the location. Uh, but at least for that, the location is confirmed as of now for the official meetup. It will be in JP Nagar. Okay, so what is this live session is all about? So in this live session, I will try to answer your questions. That's it. That's my main motto. Okay, so we got question from Kanti. Okay, what is that? Question just went up. Okay, so hi Navin Reddy, you looks energetic as usual. Happy to see you live. Your Python course is very okay. The question is Python and TensorFlow JS having same objective to achieve machine learning? I guess yes. It's just that TensorFlow was in Python before. Now they realize, there are a lot of people who are on JavaScript platforms. So for them, they have implemented TensorFlow.js. Okay, will you be doing live project on Python? Yes, that's the plan, but it will not be very soon. It will take some time because once I complete my Python tutorials, I'll be focusing on something else and then I will come back to Python. That's my plan. So it will take some time. Okay, give me some resources to practice Python programming, sir. Okay, so that's the issue. I wanted to give you some type of things, some type of assignments, and the problem is on YouTube is not that comfortable to give you assignments, and that's where the IT Academy comes into picture. That's where we will be, posting questions. We will give you assignments. We will be playing some quiz there. So that's the idea. Okay. Anmol says, sir, I'm in first year and learning web designing. Is it right time to learn? Of course, right? You need to learn from start. So if you are in first year, this is the perfect time. So start with web designing, learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript, then go for the backend as well. Some people go for PHP, some people go for Python. Whatever you prefer. Maybe if you can learn Java, you can learn Server JSP as well. So it's not always right time. So it doesn't matter if it's in first year, second year, it's always the right time. Okay, so what's your thoughts on Java? Okay, so now I know after making Python videos, people are confused now. Should they learn Java or Python? See, Java is one of the best language available in the market. Enterprise market is still dependent upon Java, but there are certain new fields like AI, machine learning. Those are implemented using Python. That's why learning Python makes sense. Okay, so Java will be there. Don't worry. Okay, Kalyan says, if I follow your class in YouTube, is it enough or have to go for something else? Okay, see, my videos are enough to learn a new language and to understand how that works. But if you want to make a project, you need some extra skill set as well. See, even if you join classes outside, even if you join any course online, there is a chance that you will learn the same amount of stuff which I have given on YouTube. Okay, maybe they will give you something extra or something less, so something more or something less, but not much difference. Okay, ultimately you have to learn everything by yourself. So of course my videos will be helpful, but you need to do something extra as well. So once you learn all the topics, you can, once you reach to the end of the topic, let's say if you're learning Python now, and then once you reach till the end, you will realize, this is something I can do. So you will try to build some project, and that's when the actual learning will start. Okay. Okay, so Sumit says seventh generation laptop, eighth generation, and should I consider brand? I would say, see, the thing is now eighth generation laptop, they already have a quad-core CPUs, right? So I would always prefer go for eighth generation. In fact, the machine which I have, the Asus laptop, it was a gaming machine, so it was seventh generation, but it still has a quad-core CPU. If you are lucky, you will get quad-core CPU in seventh generation. But in eighth generation, most of the CPUs are quad-core, and it is much more efficient than the dual-core machines. If cost is not an issue, go for eighth generation. Plus, about the brand, any brand. So nowadays, all the brands are same, right? The services are provided online. So maybe you can go for HP, you can go for Dell, you can go for Lenovo. Check the reviews on Amazon, check the reviews on different websites, and that's how you go. There's no perfect laptop. Every laptop has some, what do you say, some drawback and some good things. Okay, next one. Can I participate in hackathons without a team? Yes, there are some hackathons which they don't need a team, I guess. Search for that. Okay, Nandu says microservices. For a long time waiting, sir. Yeah, sure. I will be focusing on microservices as well once I finish Python. Okay, when you are going to come in Mumbai, how many more questions to ask you? Yes, your videos are awesome. I like it. Okay, when you are going to come in Mumbai, have many more questions. Okay, so yes, Mumbai meetup is also there. We are still planning it. Once I complete my Bangalore meetup, we will be doing a Mumbai meetup as well. I was supposed to do a Mumbai meetup before that, but then I'm busy with other project, other work. I'm not able to do the Mumbai project as well. So a Mumbai meetup, but we'll take it. So once I complete my Bangalore meetup, we'll go for the Mumbai meetup as well. And all your questions will be answered. Don't worry. Okay, so Delhi meetup. Sure, we'll do that. Okay. At which classes you started programming? Which class? When I started my degree. Okay, I guess so. First year degree. So when I was doing my BSc IT first year, that's when I started programming. But I was not much interested in programming at that time. My actual interest started in second year when I was participating in different competitions. That's when I learned actual programming stuff. Okay. What is the first step of blockchain? I would say cryptography. So learn cryptography, learn about distributed systems. You can go with that. So distributed systems and cryptography. So that's great, guys. 95 people are watching this. Come on, do click the like button there. I know the thing is, from morning I've uploaded around 3 to 4 videos, and that's why YouTube don't do that. So once YouTube has notified everyone about 1 or 2 videos, YouTube don't notify for the. So if I upload more than one video today, in one day, they will not notify for the second video. Maybe that's the algorithm, so and that's why a lot of people have not got the notification, I guess. But that's fine. They can watch it later. And that's why that bell icon is very important. If you have not clicked the bell icon, you might not get notified about the live sessions. Okay, Chennai meetup. Yeah, sure, they will do that. Okay. In content playlist, only 11 videos. Only 11 videos? See, there might be some more videos. There should be some more videos. Okay, status letter says, so you are from engineering field. No, I've not done engineering, but I've done MSc in IT, Masters in IT. Okay, please teach blockchain and AI. Yes, blockchain will be there, but nothing for AI. How many classes remaining in Python? You can expect 20 more videos, I guess. 20 more videos. 15 to 20. Okay, so Vivek says, I'm in class 12. I'm not too late to start programming, right? Of course not. I started programming in year when I was in second year degree, right? So you're not late. Don't worry. Okay, hey, studio says do a collab. Surely we'll do a collab. Once I get some time, we'll do a collab for sure. I'm looking for collab, but let's see. I'm not getting enough time to do that. We'll do it surely. Okay, Java or Python, in which I get more opportunities. Both. It's depend upon what type of field you're choosing and what type of industry you're joining. If you're going for enterprise market, of course Java. If you're going for startup, if you're going for machine learning, of course Python. Okay. How you are learning programming language this much fast? Please tell me. Okay, the thing is, when I learned my first language, it took me a lot of time. So when I was learning C programming, it took me 6 months, 7 months. But now, since I know one language, it is easier to learn other languages as well. So once you learn two languages, it is easier to learn third language, and once you know three languages, it is easier to learn fourth language. Ultimately, the concepts remain same, right? Well, I think. Comments? Okay. Next question. I'm a child studying in 10th class. You have improved me a lot. Your videos, no one teaches like you. Oh, thank you so much. Compliment. Okay. So there was a question. I'm getting some suggestion. Secret of your beauty, sir. Okay. Okay. Am I looking good today? Okay. Eat a lot. Eat and don't exercise. That's my beauty secret. Okay. Today, which programming language is good to get a job in IT company? Okay, so see, every language is good. You can go for Java, you can go for Python, everything is good. It depends upon how much effort you give. Okay, so again, if you're joining just now, so make sure that we have talked about the Bangalore meetup. So next week, it's on 2nd September. We have a meetup in Bangalore. The registration will be you will find the registration link tomorrow. So tomorrow afternoon or evening, you can expect a registration link on Facebook and YouTube community. So I will not be making another video. I will be posting that as a community, as a message in community tab and on Facebook. Okay, so it is again first come first serve. So make sure that you like my Facebook page, both the pages, Navin Reddy page and the Telusko page, and also make sure that you have clicked on the bell icon of this channel. Yeah, that's important. Okay, Pranati Sharma says when I will be in Mumbai. Okay, so you're going to meet me. Is it? That's what you're saying? Okay, next question. Can we have DS video in Python? Yes, I'm thinking about it to make data structures videos in Python. So once I complete once I complete Java with the data structures, I will move to Python. Okay, so you look like Satya Nadella. Is it what you're saying? Oh, thank you so much. That's a compliment. By which angle? I don't know. You're not supposed to make comment on me. Okay, is Salesforce developer is best career option? Why not? Salesforce is still used in companies. Why not? Okay, WordPress, not much idea. I don't work on WordPress. It's been a long time. So from a long time, I was thinking about learning WordPress, but not enough time to do that. Okay, so आपका baby कैसा है? Baby is good. You're talking about my nephew. He's very good. Okay, is it good time to learn Hadoop? Why not? Big data is still booming. Data science is dependent upon big data, so why not? Okay, provide Java lectures series. I do have it. Just go to my channel. There is a special. So search for playlist. We have a Java playlist. In fact, we have two Java playlists. One is old one and new one. I'll go with that. Okay, I'm Java programmer for many years now, looking for get my head into data science, big data, machine learning, etc. Bit of a forest of terminology. Where should I start? For Okay, you want to start? So I would say start with big data first, understand how big data works, then get into data science, and then you can go for machine learning and deep learning later. That's my suggestion. I don't know, there might be some good way of doing it. Okay, so a question from Patil Akash. Is it 60% criteria is compulsory in companies? Yes, in big companies they are still going with that criteria of 60%, but I feel it will change soon, right? It will change soon. Don't worry. Okay, so Vivek says, I'm interested in machine learning. Which maths topic should I pay more attention? I would say calculus, vector. Uh, that's something you have to learn more.
Is this time?
Okay, question from Surendra. I'm not able to see that question. It's very up. So there's a question here from Surendra, and the question is, will you please come to my college for a guest lecture on career development? I'm in Chennai. I already have informed actually. If yes, how will Okay, surely I will come to your college. The only problem is I have not planned anything for Chennai yet. Maybe once I complete my Bangalore meetup, I will plan for Chennai. And if I'm coming to Chennai, of course, I will visit your college. Okay, I would love to visit your college because I want to educate as many people as possible. I want to make sure that India goes up. We have so much potential in this country. The only thing is we are not getting the right path. We want to work hard, right? Every one of us want to work hard. We want to excel in life, but the only thing is we don't know what to do, and that's why I'm taking all this college sessions, guest lectures. So I would love to come to your college, but let's see when I will come to Chennai. I will surely do it. In fact, I would request you if you want me to come to your college for a guest lecture, doesn't matter which city it is, which state. What you can do is send me a mail on the Telusko training. So tell me about the topic which you want me to conduct. Tell me the date which you're comfortable, and tell me the city. So I will try to arrange something like that. Maybe if I get 3 to 4 calls from the same city at same point, I will surely come. Doesn't matter if I have a work there or not. I will only come for your college session. Okay. Okay. Nitin says, nice to see you. Nice to see you as well. Okay, for the people, will you come to Vijayawada? Of course, I will come. If I, the only thing is, if I have some work there and if I have some college session, I will surely come. Is there any framework of Python we need to learn? Yes, if you want to go for web development, you need to learn Flask or Django. Okay, in 3 to 4 years, do you think companies will require college degree for hiring? In India, at least, yes. Not every company will change so fast. It will take some time. Okay, so Virat says I'm working in one of the integration technologies since 3 years, 10 months. I want to switch my technology to Spring Boot and AWS. Do that. Learn Spring Boot and AWS. Okay, what to learn after Core Java? I would say Servlet JSP or maybe Android if you are into mobile. Go for Android. Okay, which book to prefer for Core Java? I prefer Complete Reference. It's one of the best book available. Okay. Can we have video on JavaScript? No. Okay, so I'm not into JavaScript. I don't even have a plan to make a video on JavaScript. Uh, so maybe you cannot expect that from this channel. Okay, next question. So please come to Northeast side for a meetup. We are waiting for your reply. Okay, surely Northeast, right? Surely. Uh, okay, so maybe I will plan for something. Maybe a tour towards Northeast, and then I will try to cover most of the cities in between. So that will make more sense, right? It's one way, and then we'll try to cover most of it because it is very difficult to take out time to actually go somewhere because I'm going to Bangalore for some work and then meet up. So everything will be mixed, and then it makes much more sense to do everything at the same time. Okay. Vivek says, I don't want to go to college. I want to learn everything online. See, you can do that. But the only thing is, if you want to go for big companies, they need college degree. If you want to be entrepreneur, do whatever you want. Okay. Okay. Guru Prasad says, any video on machine learning? I will try to make at least the understanding of machine learning. May not be the entire video. Any video on advanced Java? Yes, we already have a series on advanced Java. Check it out. Kotlin or Java for Android? Of course, Kotlin. But then if you want to learn Kotlin, learn Java first. Would you launch a series on Django after Python? Planning is to launch it. Let's see. As of now, I cannot promise that, but I'll try to do my best. What's the best way to learn Python? It's very easy. Just go to the Telusko Learning and play the playlist. Okay, play a Python playlist, and you're good to go. This is one of the best work I have done till now. Okay, on Python. Let's see if you like it. Okay, so come on, guys, click on like button there. And it's already been half an hour. We are talking last 5 minutes, and then we are good to go. Python or Java, which is for college placement right now in India? Java is still the favorite interview round question. So they will ask you questions on Java first. Go with Java first. Assign to more detailed video in REST API. I already have some videos, right? Okay, Python videos are very good. Thank you so much. Okay. Software engineering or data science? Depend upon your interest. Okay, how to motivate for code for daily? See, the thing is, you don't have to motivate yourself for coding. Okay, if coding is something which doesn't motivate you, then you don't. I mean, coding is not something you should be doing. Coding itself, seeing the output, working on the project itself gives you motivation. If you are still looking for motivation, I would say do something different. Okay, looking for more Python videos. They are excellent. Thank you so much. More videos are on the way. It is an editing process. See, the only problem is there are so many. There's so many. It takes so much of time to edit one video. So yes, videos are coming. Don't worry. We are working very hard to push as much as videos as possible. Okay, so last 2 minutes and two questions, and then we are done. I'm tired a lot. Okay, Santosh says you are awesome, sir. I'm an internal student. I'm amazed on seeing your skills. Love your way of teaching. Oh, thank you so much. Okay, which is the best future software engineering data science? Again, I mentioned your choice. Okay, we got super chat from Happiness World. Thank you so much for super chat, Happiness World. Super chat always helps. Okay, Saurabh says you're great. Oh, thank you so much. Okay, so we got a question. How to get not overwhelmed with tons of information when you start a software developer job? That's right. When you do something, you will be getting a lot of information. You will be learning a lot of stuff. Make sure that whatever you learn, put that on maybe a notepad or on a book. The thing is, when you get a lot of information, it is difficult for your brain to save everything at once. So try to put those things on a paper, try to put those things on a text file, or make a video. That's what I do. When I want to learn something new, I learn it and then I make a video for that. So after some time, I do watch my own video. Okay, I do that. Trust me. So example, if I talk about Scala now, it's been a long time I worked on Scala. So maybe I forgot some syntax about Scala. I will watch my own video. Right. So last one question, and then we are good to go. I know I'm not able to answer all the questions, but that's what I can do now. Do you think India will have its own Silicon Valley? Yes, India has its own Silicon Valley, which is Bangalore. Maybe it will take some time for us to beat the actual Silicon Valley, but surely we have potential. We can do that. So that's it, everyone. I hope I'm trying to answer all your questions. I tried my best. We'll try to do it next time. Maybe I know you have so many questions. So that's it, everyone. Bye bye. See you next time. Make sure that you share my videos with your friends. We got one more super chat from Money SSK. Thank you so much, Money. Uh, so that's it, everyone. Make sure you share my channel with your friends. Share my videos. Let everyone knows about this channel. That's how you can help us. In fact, there's one more thing. I will make a separate video for this. There is also a button of join. I don't know if you see this video on laptop. There's on computer. There's option of join. So after next to subscribe button, there's join button. Now join button is a way to help me. So if you want to help Telusko Learning, if you want to contribute to Telusko Learning, you can join and you can. So it will charge you some amount, maybe 159 rupees per month. Not a big amount, right? That's how you can support. That's how you can share your love with us. And plus, you will get some extra perks. And we are still trying to decide what type of perks we'll be getting. Maybe you will get some live sessions, a separate live session for the people who have joined by paying 159 rupees, and special. You will get some special post, right? That's what we can do. So make sure you also join there. Okay, we got one more super chat, I guess. No? Okay, we got one more super chat from Viraj. Thank you so much, Viraj, for super chat. As I mentioned, super chat always helps. So that's it, everyone. Thank you so much, everyone. See you next time. Bye bye.